Imagine the perfect partner. They always understand you, never argue, are always by your side, and ready to fulfill any desire. They don't get jealous, don't make demands, and don't need explanations. Not a human?
Correct.
This is artificial intelligence, capable of adapting to your emotions, remembering your preferences, and even adjusting to your character. But what if technology can not only complement, but completely replace real people? Today, AI dolls look so realistic that they are indistinguishable from living humans. They can talk, hold conversations, react to their owner's emotions, and even imitate feelings. Is this the future of relationships? Or a step toward total social isolation? Threat or revolution? Let's find out. Sex robots are no longer a fantasy, but a reality. Technology now allows for the creation of nearly perfect partners. Today's models combine complex mechanics, advanced AI algorithms, and innovative materials, making them as lifelike as possible. From the earliest primitive models to modern interactive dolls, only a few decades have passed, and development continues. What is a modern AI erotic doll? It is not just a realistic body shape, but a complex system capable of interacting with its owner on different levels. The skin is made of high-quality silicone with a texture that mimics human skin. Facial expressions are created using built-in micromotors, and the voice module uses machine learning algorithms to adapt to the owner's communication style. Personalized interaction and behavioral reactions allow for the creation of a unique companion that evolves alongside its user. Why is this an important topic? Questions of morality, psychology, and society. AI erotic dolls spark numerous debates. On one hand, they offer a solution to loneliness and emotional support. On the other, they pose a threat to social connections and norms. How will the widespread adoption of such technology impact traditional relationships? How will the perception of intimacy and closeness change in the future? These questions require deep analysis, and there are no definitive answers yet. But one thing is certain: technology continues to evolve, and we will have to adapt to a new world where the line between human and machine becomes increasingly blurred. Throughout history, humans have tried to replace partners, from ancient cults creating statues of goddesses of love to the first mechanical toys used in European palaces. Even in antiquity, there were stories of statues coming to life in their creator's imagination. In the Middle Ages, such objects were considered demonic inventions, but during the Renaissance, mechanical dolls appeared for the amusement of the aristocracy. Inflatable dolls, primitive models. The first mass-produced inflatable dolls appeared in the 20th century, particularly during World War II when German soldiers used them to maintain morale. After the war, these products became commercially popular and spread worldwide. In the 1960s and 70s, they were significantly improved, with stronger materials and anatomically accurate designs. The emergence of realistic dolls, silicone, motorized elements. In the 1990s, advancements in silicone technology allowed for the creation of dolls that closely resembled human bodies. These products featured high detail, flexibility, and durability. In the early 2000s, motorized elements were added, enabling dolls to move, along with basic speech modules for minimal interaction with owners. Modern AI models, voice modules, learning capabilities, and adaptability. Today's high-tech dolls are equipped with artificial intelligence, allowing them to hold conversations, remember owner preferences, and even analyze emotions. Some models can simulate breathing, respond to touch, and express basic emotions through facial expressions. Developers continue to refine algorithms to make interactions as natural as possible. Conversational skills. The doll can maintain conversations, learn new phrases, and adapt to the owner. Thanks to built-in neural networks, it can analyze speech, intonations, and communication style, forming a personalized dialogue with the owner. Some models can switch between various conversation topics, tell jokes, respond to the owner's mood, and even remember past dialogues to make interactions more natural. Realistic skin, thermal sensors, artificial musculature. New materials, developed from silicone and polymer compounds, create skin that closely mimics the tactile feel of human skin. Built-in thermal sensors maintain a comfortable surface temperature, simulating human body warmth. Artificial muscles under the skin allow for subtle movements, making interactions more realistic. Additional functions: expression of emotions, breathing simulation. Advanced models feature facial mechanisms that allow dolls to express emotions such as smiling, surprise, or even slight irritation. A breathing system with a rising and falling chest mechanism creates the effect of natural breathing. Some dolls also have scent technology, allowing users to customize emitted fragrances, making interactions more authentic. Synchronization with mobile applications. The doll's personality can be customized. Modern models have built-in Bluetooth and Wi-Fi modules, allowing owners to manage various settings through special apps. Users can select the doll's personality, level of emotionality, voice tone, and even teach it new phrases. Some systems offer software updates to improve and adapt interactions over time. Companion for lonely people who struggle with relationships. In today's society, where loneliness is on the rise, such technologies can serve as a form of therapy. AI dolls can hold conversations, help overcome stress and social anxiety, and provide companionship, particularly for those with introverted tendencies. A safe space for experimentation without judgment. These devices provide a platform for safely exploring one's sexuality, overcoming fears and insecurities related to intimacy, and gaining self-confidence. A personalized experience. AI adapts to the owner. Through machine learning, dolls can analyze user preferences, behavioral reactions, and even emotional states, making interactions unique for each individual. A potential solution to sexual frustration. People who, for various reasons, cannot find a partner can experience a certain level of satisfaction without resorting to destructive or toxic coping mechanisms. Some countries are already imposing bans. In certain regions, governments are concerned that the proliferation of AI dolls may affect traditional social norms and reduce real human interactions. Legislative discussions are underway regarding the regulation of their production, sale, and use. Special attention is being given to moral boundaries and potential consequences for the social structure of society. Society is divided. Some see it as the future, others as a threat. Proponents argue that such technologies can help people experiencing loneliness or difficulty with interpersonal interactions. They could also serve as a solution for disabled or elderly individuals struggling to find a partner. Opponents, however, argue that these devices could lead to the dehumanization of relationships, lower social interaction standards, and create dependencies similar to internet addiction. What do you think? Can artificial intelligence replace real relationships? Or is this a path to the abyss of loneliness? Perhaps we are on the verge of a revolution that will redefine the concept of love and attachment. How would you feel if your best friend or a loved one chose an AI partner? Is this a chance for happiness or a troubling sign? Share your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe, like, and stay tuned for more thought-provoking topics ahead.